Oh no, it's raining. I can't believe this. I've been looking forward to today all week, and now the sky looks gray and wet. I don't think it's a good idea anymore. Everything feels ruined.
Good evening, Ella. Why do you look so worried and disappointed?
Hi, Alex. I was just looking at the rain outside. We planned this city walk for days, remember? Now it's drizzling, and I feel like the whole plan is falling apart. I don't want to walk around with wet shoes and messy hair.
I understand, but honestly, this kind of weather is exactly why I love walking in the city.
Why?
When it drizzles like this, the streets are quieter, the city slows down, and you get to see a side of it that most people miss.
I don't know. Usually when it rains, I just want to stay inside, make tea, and watch something. Walking outside feels uncomfortable and unnecessary.
I used to feel the same way, but one day I tried it and it completely changed my mind. Let's just try a short walk. If you don't like it, we can come back.
Mm, okay, just a short walk. I trust you, but if I regret this, I'm blaming you. Oh, the air feels cooler than I expected, and the streets look different. The road is wet, and the lights from the buildings are reflecting on the ground. It actually looks kind of beautiful.
That's what I meant. I love how the city shines after rain. It feels like everything is freshly washed, like the city just woke up.
I'm noticing things I usually ignore. Normally, the street is packed with people, cars, and noise, but now it feels open and calm. I can actually hear my own footsteps.
Exactly. This is my favorite part. When it's not crowded, you can really feel the city instead of rushing through it.
Oh, I could smell coffee. That cafe over there smells so warm and inviting. On rainy days like this, coffee feels more special.
Yes, and look through the window. People sitting inside, talking quietly, watching the rain. I love moments like that. They feel real.
You know, I usually walk through the city without really looking around. Today I'm noticing bookstores, small shops, even street signs I've never paid attention to before.
Rain makes us slow down, and when we slow down, we see more.
Wow, the park looks so green. The trees look cleaner and the leaves are shining. Even the air smells fresh. I didn't expect this at all.
That's why I said the city looks different today. Rain doesn't ruin it, it changes it.
I'm actually really glad we came out. If I stayed inside, I would have missed all of this. The quiet streets, the reflections, the fresh air. It feels peaceful.
I'm happy you're enjoying it. Sometimes the best moments come from plans that don't go perfectly.
Thank you, Alex. I honestly didn't want to come at first, but this walk turned out to be the best decision today. I feel calmer, lighter, and more connected to the city.
You're welcome. I'm glad you trusted me. The city always has something to show us if we're willing to step outside.
This walk reminded me that even simple things can feel special. A little rain, a quiet street, and good company are sometimes all you need.
Exactly. A day in the city doesn't have to be perfect to be meaningful.
Thank you for walking with us today.
If you enjoyed this conversation,
Please like, share, and subscribe.
and tell us in the comments,
Do you enjoy walking in the city when it's drizzling?